guys, welcome to IK Skills Africa, and we're in a journey of learning graphic design with Pixellab. So, in our module one, Introduction to Pixel, we're going to learn Pixel interface, explain must know tools, how you can navigate all of these and this bar here, how you can understand it, so that when you come to your design. So if you have not downloaded this app, let me show you the logo. If you have not downloaded it, you can watch this video and also get it for yourself. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. So let's start with this plus icon here. So when we click on it, you have text, you have current date, you have sticker, you have shape, you have from gallery, you have drawing. So let's start with text. When you put text like this is what you can type. You can just drag it, you can edit the text here, add whatever you want to add in your design. Let's put IK Skills Africa. IK Skills Africa. Sorry, IK Skills Africa. Then you now click OK. Write it here. You can resize it anyone you want. Let me drag it there. So there's a feature here. If you want to delete it, you click here, this particular side here. If you want to make every text here to be capital in capital form, you now click like this. So that's all. So now click OK. Sorry, click on it. Now click OK. So every text here is in capital letter. So now we're going to the date, current date. When we click on it, you see the current date is going to show. So when we go back and click on it, when we click on sticker, we have a lot of sticker here. You can choose which one you want. When you go to this one, we have the sticker plus, we have the stickers, we have the emojis. You can decide which one you want in your design. You can choose anyone from the emoji here. I have a lot here. So that's it. So now we're going to check on the shape. If you want to choose shape, so here in this aspect shape here, we have many type of shape here. Look at it. You can decide which one you want to choose. When you go back, you can resize this radius here. You can resize the angles. As you can see, I'm doing it, the angles is changing. You can resize it. So if you want to change the opacity, you want to reduce it, you want it to be much, like this. See, like this. See, I'm increasing it, is adding. If you want to change color, you can change color through here. You want to go gradient, anyone you wish to. Here you can put on shadow, you can put on opacity. If you want to reduce it like this, look at it. You can do the shadow. If you want to change color, if you want to blue it, look at it. Anywhere you want, you now click OK. So let's get over to from gallery. From gallery here, if you want to choose any shape from gallery, you want to import it to this particular. Let me say I want to put this IK Skills logo Africa. I want to import it. So voila, look at it here. That's how it is. Let me delete it. So when you came over to let's check. Okay, that's it. Then drawing. If you want to draw, something, that's how. If you want to do something like this, you want to draw something in your logo, and that's it. So next we are going to this particular side here. When you click on it, we have save as project, we have save as image. Save as project is when you finish design. Let me say you're doing social media design and you want to do it in a series. You want to do more than 4 social media design, and you want to save the template. Let me just You want to save the template so that when you come, you just change the text and the rest. So you're going to save it as a project. So if you want to save this as an image, you want to save it to your gallery. When you click on like this, you want to save it to your gallery. You understand? You want to save it to your gallery. So now when you click on here, we actually advise people to choose ultra here because it's going to save in a high quality. And when you click on save as project here, when you click on it, you're going to name it. After you name it, then you now go to this dashboard there and now see my project. So now these are from template I did here and is there already. So that's it. So and let me give for instance, look at this one here. This is a template I do for the graphic design course. This is it here, and these are the logo I'm designing and the rest. So that's that's it for that part. For this part here is only for saving if you want to save it. If you're using this part here, you want to save it or you want to share it. When you come to this is quotes. When you want to create the social media design and your lack of quotes, you can choose any quote you want here. You can decide which quote you want here. Then let's choose this one. You see, I'll just put my code and design it. So in our other modules, we're going to teach you how you can create a good social media design, and a lot of people will employ you to be doing their social media design for them. So what we're going to do next is this particular, since we have understand this, let's go to this aspect. This aspect, see the same, use photo from gallery, see the same with that one. Full screen, you want everything your screen to be full. Use from the camera from your gallery too, you want to export. So what we're going to talk is about this resize. If you want to resize it, so we have many templates here. We have YouTube thumbnail, we have Facebook Canva, we have cover actually, we have Google Plus cover, we have Twitter and resize and the rest. You can explore that too if you want to resize it. So and tutorials, remove ad. This one you don't need, if you're using this version you don't need to remove ad because it's already removed. So next, let's go down to this aspect here. So when I click on this one, let me come in. When I click on this one, here is if you want to duplicate, here you want to resize, here you want to center a text, here you want to rotate a text, here you want to put it at the front, you want to put it at the back. Let me use for instance, this is it. This is our container here and this is text here. So what we're going to do now, if sorry, this is our container. If I click on this, if I want to duplicate it, I'll just click on this one. When I click it, see here there are two now. Let me delete it. When I click on it again, resize. If I want to resize it, as you can see it's resizing the height too. You see. So when we go back, let me cancel this. When we go back, this one, if we want to put it, sorry, if we want to put this one at the middle, so here you want to take it aside, here you want to take it aside, here you want to take it up, here you want to take it down, here is in the middle, vertical middle. If you want to put it horizontal middle, you click on this. Now this is vertical middle, this is horizontal middle. See, now everything is aligned in the middle. So one of the principle of graphic design is alignment, so this will help you do alignment too. So now let's go back to here. If you want to rotate it, we have two ways. If you click here, you can rotate it like this. You can rotate it, put the position you want, or you can use this particular side to rotate it. So we have, if you want this text to be forward, you put it like this. If you want this shape to be backward, you put like this. You can see it's already back. So now what we're going to now next is this undo. If you want to undo it, look at it, all know the undo. So here if you want to zoom now, when you click on it you zoom it like this, then you now click plus. So anything you're doing here already, your design already zoom in. So if you want to zoom out, you just click on it, you just zoom out, and you now click on it back. So here is the box. This line here are very important when it comes to the principle of graphic design, what we call alignment. These are what we call alignment. So one of the principles of graphic design is alignment. So here is the line, anywhere you want to set it. Let me say for instance I want to shift this one like this, I want to shift this like this, I want to leave this in the middle, I want to take this like this, I want to take like this. So every of my design will be around this cycle here. Every of my design will be around this cycle. So for here, if you're going to see everything you add here, you can lock it. This is the lock part. If you want to close, you don't want to see a particular cycle, you just press like this. Now you don't see it in the design but it's there. So when you click open like this, you now see it. So then next you let me I wanted to delete it, just click like this to delete everything. So next we're going to study, you have already known this, these are just shapes, these are just shapes, style you want. If you want to resize, this is for, if you press like this, it has changed. If you press like this, change. If you press this, has changed. If you press this, has changed. Press this, has changed. This is for A4 paper. If you press this, this has changed. Press this, has changed. Press this has changed. Look at it. Everything is just changing. So it does. So you don't need to go and press your resize here. So any style you need is already here. So now this text here is when I import a text like this. So if I want to edit the text here, let me go back. Let me write IK Skills Africa and say IK Skills Africa. Skills Africa. So what we're going to do now is going to click OK. So now this is the IK Skills Africa. So if I want to edit this particular text, look at it here. When I click like this, it's not going to be there, but when I click like this, you're going to see it. If I want to edit it, you have copy in front, all this positioning. You want to shift text up, down, right, left, up. Look at it here. You want to resize it, simple. You want to resize it, you can put it like this. Padding, you want to add padding to it, anyone you want. See, it's easy. So if you want to add color, you want to color it, look at it, choose any type of color. So when we come to color theory, I'm going to teach you the best way to combine good colors to your design. And you have gradient colors here, you can put gradient colors to your design. Look at it, you can put color gradients to your design. See, and click on OK. That's all. So when we go to texture, this texture here is if I want to add something to this text here, I want to add maybe golden color, but is a form of an image. Then I'm coming, let me choose my, okay, I want to add this, particular chest to the image. So when I click on, you see I've added it. When I click like this, when I click OK, it's now balanced. Now balance the ratio. If I put like this, but if I take it by, it's going to take it small, but I put like this, it's going to take the whole image. So that's the importance of this texture here. If I want to delete it, just like this, see, it's already deleted. Opacity, I want to blend. If you want to blend, maybe you want to make a watermarks, you want to blend a shape or the rest. And we have the rotation already, you already know this is the rotation. And we have the maxing here. When I click OK, you're not going to see this particular text here. Let me undo it, sorry. So that's the use of maxing. This is font. So one of the reasons I love this application is you have a lot of free font here that you don't want to import. So now if you want to import, you have your special font that you already download, maybe from Google Fonts. You will just click on my font here. When you click on it, you now click on this plus sign here. You now add the font you want, locate where the font is, and you now add. Like I have font here in my download button, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, there's no font here, I've already deleted it. So let me go back. So recent fonts here, this part here is going to tell you how fonts that you have used for your design, so that maybe you use one font. I lovely use Montserrat Black and Montserrat Semi Bold for my design. So that's how it works here. So styling, if you want to style, if you want to make it in a bold fold, you put it like this. If you want to make it in italic, if you want to underline it, if you want to cancel it, that's it. So if you only want one to be bold, you press like this, cancel it. If you want only this one to bold, press like this. You want this one to be italic. See, that's it about this part here. You want this text to be curved, and that's it. Add this text to be curved, just put it like this. Now press OK. Or you want to change a background. See, you want to put a background to the text. You want to put, let me see gradient. You want to put text to the background. So that's it. So here is alignment. If you want to align, if you have many text here you want to align, you just put it like this. Now we have spacing. One of the principle of graphic design, is alignment. So if you want to align text, so if you want to, all this we're going, I'm just telling you how the interface works so that you'll be familiar with everything. We'll have spacing, so when you draw it, I don't want the video to be long, seriously, and the video is taking see, you want to add the height here, all smoke. If you want to add smoke to the text, change it, let's change it to white so that you can see it. See, if you want to add it, you see if you want to add smoke to the text, you want to add, so here is the outside smoke. Now the shadow, you want to put shadow at back so that everybody can see it. You now click on it. See this one, this inner shadow is going to affect only from the inside, see it when you click on it. So this one, I should just beautify it more, you see. When you go to this one, if you want this particular side to be one-sided like this, you want to draw this one like this. So when I click on like this, you see how it's moving. I want to make it big. See, if I want to make it like this, something you can play with. This is the aspect of the 3D. Want to make it more 3D form, you can just leave it like this. Want to make it a shadow, want to give it a shadow, reduce the shadow. See, this is text shadow, you want to reduce it. Then your reflection, you want to put reflection under. Look at it, you want to put reflection, you want to bring it closer. See, that is all about this. So here, when you click on it, if you want to stickers, that up one, import, you want to import, you want to draw shape, all this one you know about it. Here is if you want to make, you want to change the background of this color. When you click on this, see, you can change the background as easily as you want. See, and change it. So I'm very fast because I don't want this video to be long. So you click on it. So if you have any question, you can contact us and can chat us. We can have time for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So when you click on this transparent, you want to transparent the background. So anytime you download it, this background is going to be transparent. So I think I'll do it back. Bring my color here. If there is an image you want to resize, it's all the same thing. If you want to put an image, you want to put a background and the rest. Let me see. I want to put this background. Look at it. I've put the background already. So you can choose any background you want. That's why I love this one. So I love it so much. So if you have not downloaded this app, you can go there and download it. You can check IK Skills Africa slash Pixellab. You can get it there. Look at this one here. You want to, if you add an image, you want to edit an image, just add brightness. If you want to add contrast, you want to reduce it and reduce the color. See, that's about it. You want to add this. See, that's all about it. So that was it for today's tutorials. um Before we call it a day, the IK Skills Africa mobile app is now available on IK Skills, on ikskills.com.ng. Here is the app. When we click on it, we have uploaded 5 to 6 courses in the app. So it's loading. Let's allow it to load. Sorry, I don't have internet connection. So if you want to use this particular course, this particular app, you can see here we have WhatsApp marketing. Next video, we're going to talk about the 5 principles of graphic design. So don't forget to like, share, and click on the notification bell so whenever I release a video, you'll be the first to be notified. See you in the next video.